Hello students and parents. In this video I will be showing you how to subtract with regrouping. So it's very similar to without regrouping, it's just a little more steps. Okay, so again we have our number sentence right here, which is 5,342 minus 1,856, and we have the greatest number first. First thing we need to do is we need to circle our symbol so we know what we're doing, which in this case it is minus. When I have a minus, my first number is a whole, next number is a part, and I'm going to be looking for a part. Same thing as box, circle, box is equal to box. But again, because I already wrote it down, we don't need that. Okay, now I have to label my place value at the top. Start with the greatest number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, same over here, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now that we did that, we are going to go ahead and write our algorithm stacked up. Greatest number on top. Make sure that they are lined up. Okay. Now I need to circle my symbol so I know I'm subtracting, and I'm going to also draw my place value chart. I apologize, I have two parrots and they like to scream when I'm trying to teach you guys stuff, so I apologize for that. Okay, now we're gonna move on to, let me move this out of the way. Okay. Now we're going to again draw the greatest number first. So I need 2 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds, and 5 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's always best for the student to count as they are drawing. So make sure that you are keeping track of that. Okay, now I have to just write the number at the bottom because I'm subtracting. Again, if I was adding, then yes, draw that number. But in this case, I am subtracting. Now, we're going to go start with the ones. I have 2 dots. I have 2 dots in my ones, but I have 6. Can I take away 6 dots from this image? No, I cannot. And ask your student that. Can you take away 6 from what you already have? No. So we have to regroup. I'm going to circle the last 10 rod, because I just have to jump on over to the next place value. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that I moved it and regrouped, I can cross this out. I'm not going to box anything yet because I still haven't removed anything from the ones. I'm going to use another color to cross out 6 because that's the number that I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I always start towards the bottom and work my way up. I took away 6, and I'm going to put a box on everything that is left over. Now let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 left over. Now I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, I have to take away 5. But I don't have 5, so guess what? I have to regroup again. It's okay to regroup more than once. Now I'm going to move on over to the hundreds, and I'm going to take the last 100. I'm going to take it over here. I'm going to draw 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I have to take away 5 of them. I already moved it, so I'm going to cross that out. I'm going to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can put a box on everything that is left over, and we're going to touch and count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I know that's an 8. Now I can move on to the hundreds. Can I take away 8 from what I have here? I cannot. So I have to regroup. I'm going to take this 1,000 the last one, I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to draw 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can cross this out. I cannot use that again. Now it's time to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crossed out 8. Notice how I don't touch the ones that are already crossed out because I can't use them anymore. I already used them to regroup. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400. So that's going to be a 4. And now I'm going to take away 1,000, which a lot of kids will probably mess up and go like this. But remind them we cannot use that one because we already regrouped. So that one's invisible. It should not be there anymore. Now cross one out, cross it out, box what's left over, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So that's going to be a 3. Now for the stacked portion of it, we're going to do 2 minus 6. We cannot do that. So that means that this turns into a, cross it out, this turns into a 3, and this is going to turn into a 12. So 12 minus 6, we already know that it's going to be 6. Now over here, can we take 3 away from 5? Because we can't use that 4 anymore. Again, the answer is no, so I'm going to cross this out. That's going to turn into a 2. This is going to turn into a 13. 13 minus 5 we know is 8. Now 2 minus 8, can we do that? No, we cannot. So we're going to cross out this 5. It's going to turn into a 4. And now this is going to turn into a 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. And now our answers are matching. So we're going to put the answer here because they matched.